Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how you can do hard reset in your this Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So first you have to open your settings. Now you have to simply scroll down. You have to click on system and you can see here you can just simply click on this search and here you have to write simply just write here reset. So here it is reset options. Click on reset options, erase all data. So this will erase all the data from your smartphone including your Google account, system, app data, photo, video, SD card, everything will be erased. So backup your important things if you have. If your SD card, you have to remove it safely. Remove your Google ID, Gmail ID, and then you have to click on erase all data. After that it will restart your smartphone and this can't be undone. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.